Influenza season is here in South Dakota, getting into full swing just a few weeks before the holidays.
Physicians say while this year's flu outlook is looking to be mild, people should still be taking the steps to avoid getting sick themselves. Cooper Sammer joining us with this health alert here at 6:30. Good evening, Cooper.
Yeah, Sam and Cordell. So far, the South Dakota Department of Health states that 32 lab-confirmed cases of influenza have been found in the state this season. That number, though, is expected to climb, especially with the holiday season just around the corner. When the weather starts to dip cold, the number of illnesses in South Dakota starts to rise. The South Dakota Department of Health reports that the state saw its first influenza death of the season, an individual from Minnehaha County. While the department notes that it's still early in the flu season, an average of 35 South Dakotans will die due to influenza each year. Those numbers are starting to pick up right before the holiday season, and health professionals are encouraging folks to get vaccinated.
When you get together, not only do you share mashed potatoes and turkey, but you might share some of the other stuff you brought with you as well. And so the flu shot is a great way to prevent getting hospitalized or potentially dying from the flu.
Sanford Health Chief Physician Dr. Jeremy Cowles says this year's vaccine has proven to be efficient so far this season, looking at how flu season has gone in South America. And that bodes well for the vaccine here.
The great news is, A, there's a good vaccine out there, and B, there are therapeutic options as well. So once you start feeling sick, make sure you talk to your doctor, figure out how you want to get tested, identify what this is.
COVID-19 cases are also still being recorded in the state, with South Dakotans still being infected with the virus each week. Cowles says not only is the latest vaccine effective against preventing the virus, if you meet the right health factors, you could get it at the same time that you get the flu vaccine.
I actually have never had any trouble with either of those vaccinations. So when I went in, I asked for them both. And so it did a wonderful job for me of getting it done in one appointment, and getting me back out on my way.
Now, Cowles says even if you're only feeling just a bit under the weather, it's never a bad idea to get checked up on. That way, he says, you can go to those holiday plans knowing that you won't be putting anyone else at risk. Sam and Cordell.